Hi there, I'm Shelley and Steps Behind the Camera.
Hi.
Today we've got our garden chairs. They're a Danish chair from the 1960s and they're in need of a bit of tender love and care. So we're going to start by taking them apart. We've now got all the parts of the chair in front of us. First thing we've got to do is where the screws were, the holes, we're going to fill them in with a PU glue so that we can screw better with the new screws that we're going to put in. Once that's dried, we can then sand the whole of the chair. We're going to use a grit paper 80 and then 120. Once that's done, we can then take some teak oil and rub it in. We're going to use a teak oil that's extra for the outside. It's time now to drill the holes that we filled in before with a very fine drilling bit. Once we've done that, we can then give all the wood a coating with teak oil. We're going to use a transparent teak oil for the outside and we're going to give at least 2 coatings of teak oil. Once that's done, we're then going to put the chair back together again. I'm going to clean the chair frame using some spirits and some warm water, sponge everything down. We're also going to change these plastic bits at the back. We'll show you that in the film. Once we've done that, we're going to put everything back together again and then the chair should be finished. And I will see you in a couple of weeks' time. Stay to the end till you see this finished chair and I'm going to say bye bye.